Oh God. They say he's gonna jump it?
Yeah.
Holy shit, he got it, Robin! Wait, what the fuck is going on here? You guys modifying the bus, or what's that looking like?
Bryce is about to jump it.
Oh God. They say he's gonna jump it?
Yeah.
Is that hot? I don't think he knows where he's at. Dude, that actually sounds so fucking good with that tip. Do that again. Oh my God. Jesus, what a nutcase. I guess they're gonna jump the bus. I think they said they're gonna jump the bus. What the f? He'd have to get a good run for her, I'd say. Oh.
I'm smoking that motherfucker. I'm smoking that.
No, you're not.
I sure need
gotta-
to.
Hey, as long as you get your front end up, you can just ride the roof.
Back that fucker up first. I need to hit this bitch a couple more times.
Oh, way over it.
I mean, could you see bounce it just a little bit more?
Oh. If he does that, he's fine.
Oh, I think so.
See bounce it.
That's fine.
Yeah, if you seat bounce it, you got it.
Chance?
Don't fuck up the tip.
Don't fuck up the tip. That's the nicest thing on the whole bus.
I got faith in Mr. Bryce. I'll definitely get more of a run for it.
I swear I'm hitting that.
No, you're not. You gotta make yourself believe before you do it.
Well, I don't believe.
Hey, the side of your fucking goggles say fly, so bitch fly. What does Miss Haley think?
I think he's got it.
You think so?
It looked like he had like good height on it. Like when you backed it up.
Yeah.
Like I think he should be fine.
I think he's got it. Bryce is a badass. I'm pretty sure he's got it. You gonna hit it too? If he hits it, are you hitting it? No. What? Oh, you won't hit it like that. boulders out of the way. Dude, you like could have done 2 buses. Now he's pumped. Way over. That was badass. Gabe, what are you doing?
Ain't got no clutch in it, none of that pushing. Just get it. Get it.
Look at the graffiti up there.
I'm pretty sure that says gang. Gang, we're dead.
Can I hear us from downstairs?
It's the salons downstairs, not the restaurant. We just fall through the floor.
I don't think we should.
Yeah, I don't think we should stand on that part. Oh my god, a ladder.
He was prepared.
Now that is a legit ladder.
Oh, it's just like.
Where I'm walking in there. Nobody else wants to. I will.
Everybody wants to, so.
Oh shit. I would make it a fucking it can be in an apartment. Look at this. It could be in an apartment.
Dude, look at the city view. Look at the city view.
Could you imagine have like a clubhouse up here or something?
It'd be insane.
Dude, that'd be sick.
Low key though.
This is the bedroom. Bro, this would be sick. This is a bedroom. Over there is the kitchen. Here's like a little lounge area.
Oh, God, that's terrible. They got an umbrella. An umbrella?
Oh my god, what the Bro, you can go on every rooftop.
House is a good idea.
Oh, that looks sick.
Please, let's start mooning everyone.
Hey, what would they do?
Bro, that person just
I see that.
scraped going over the railroad tracks. Neck broken. Oh, look at that Peterbilt. Whoa. Did you see it?
I want that. Yeah. Fuck the truck. I want that truck.
That thing's sick.
Is your truck not ready?
Bro, I will buy you a bang if you just jump off that.
My black ass is not doing
He'd be in the salon, get his hair done if he felt good.
As long as you land in that salon chair down below, you'll be good. Bro, look. A dead smiley face.
That shit twisted.
That's fucking structurally sound.
Hit with a main basket.
I hate to see the other water.
God damn it.
So we're currently driving down the interstate right now in the big truck. But the battery voltage, yeah, 7. Yeah, the dash doesn't work, nothing works. I'm in drive, but it won't let me shift, it won't downshift. I don't even know what I'm tacking right now, to be honest. I'm surprised my sensors are still working. Yeah, we're driving down the interstate with no lights, completely dark. This is sick. Not really. Alternator just took a shit, so yeah. Hopefully we don't like crash and die. I don't even think our airbags would work at that point. Do airbags work at that point?
No.
I don't think they do. What if it's not calculating my miles? That's cool.
You're getting free miles out of this.
I'm getting free miles. That's one plus. Always find a plus and a negative. That's what I'm talking about. Well, we'll update you if I'm on the side of the road. So these hills are f***ing me because I'm losing like throttle power now. And we're down to 5.9 volts in the battery. So yeah, these batteries are probably toast. Well, so I got off the interstate. As soon as I got off the interstate, it died. So now we're gonna charge it up with the jumper cables. What the f? We're gonna charge it up with the jumper cables and then get it where I can just drive it home.
It's cold, okay?
We died again. I got like halfway home and we died again. So now charging her up again, then I think I'll be able to get it the rest of the way home, to be honest. As soon as I get it charged up this last time, I think I'll be able to get it right in my garage, just barely. We might have to charge it at the house. I don't know. It might die as soon as I go in the driveway. But you guys are gonna find out. We got it to my shop, so that's a plus. And I got this freaking brand new four-wheeler I can just use as a step stool. Perfect height too. I can work on everything right here. I just gotta let her cool off because this has to come off. This has to come off for upper radiator hose. This charge pipe has to come off. This has to come off.
How'd you get home?
What do you mean?
I turned off the lights.
Cooking.
I turned off the lights to see what you would see, and I can't see.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I know. I was running 80, 90 the whole way.
You're freaking built different.
Something's wrong with you.
Why?
I couldn't fucking see.
Dude, I was cooking.
You taking it apart right now?
No, I gotta let it cool off because you gotta pull an upper radiator hose. I got it all tore apart. If anybody is wondering, get you a multimeter. And these trucks, the 6.7s, they have a known issue of the wiring being bad and not the alternator. So you'll have to come back and you'll have to test your connector, each prong on your connector, each wire. There's 3 wires. And they run down across your bottom of your engine in a plastic tray, runs over and connects up to here into the PCM. So it runs all down across. Anyways, one of those 3 wires or more are typically broken or corroded, whatever. And that's why it doesn't charge. That's why you have a battery light on, whatever. Anyways, in my case, all of my wires tested good. I traced them all down. They're all good. I used my multimeter and I tested in there out to those pins and they all tested good. Took the alternator off and went ahead and took it to O'Reilly's, had them tested to double clarify my reasoning and my diagnosis, and it tested bad. So got a new one in here and I'm fixing to install it, button everything back up and see if it worked. Hopefully. If not, then I missed something somewhere, but we'll see. We got her all fixed up. Gotta start it up, see what's gonna go on with it. So we got her started up. We're gonna test right here. The battery voltage was at 12.8. So let's see if it's charging. So we got it all running. The voltage on the battery was 12.8. I just started it up. I tested with my multimeter and it's showing 14.6. So it's trying to charge up that battery a little bit. But I just plugged in my tuner because it tells me my voltage. We got a check engine light on, which that should come off after I drive it. If not, I'll just go get my Snap-on scanner, scan it, get it all cleared off. Because I know all it is the low voltage circuit. It's a good day. We got it fixed. I'm gonna turn this off because it's in my shop. And I'm gonna die from the fumes if I don't turn it off, so. See ya. I can't tell you what he's doing, but I am changing my oil in the Automotive. Got a little splooges right there, but that's okay. I got the oil filter soaking over here. No, really, I couldn't tell you. What is he doing with that big thing? That's kind of scary. It ain't gonna work. Wanna know why? It ain't got no gas in it. Ain't got no gas in it. If something's not working for you, I promise you it's because it ain't got no gas in it. Every single time. Check your gas. If you don't check your gas, just wasting yourself some time. Yep. Well, I'm gonna get this done now. I gotta quit looking at the fucking camera. Well, we got his front drive shaft out. He can get a bigger one made. I got my oil changed. It's ready to rock and roll. And we're gonna shut down the shop.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, so officially this is some bullshit because I just left Missouri. 55-degree weather in a t-shirt. It was sunny. Gabe didn't tell me that this is what I was gonna come into at negative 10 degrees with snow on the ground. This is some bullshit, Gabriel.
Hey, just remember, cement masons don't care about the cold.
Yes, we do. That's why I'm not cement mason.
This is not okay, Mr. Gabriel.
I wonder if this has can you plug this truck in?
It might have a plug, yeah. He might not have one.
It might. That's a Florida truck.
I don't see why he would have one.
It is
From Florida.
Yeah.
It doesn't get very cold there.
All right, we'll try.
I don't think he ever needs a grid heater.
I don't think it'll get...
Let's see if it starts. I don't know if it's gonna start, but don't tell him that. We're gonna try anyways. Oh, we have a chance. What the fuck? Okay, so it started. But it doesn't like it. It started, but it does not, it's not having a fun day of running. It's not happy. Today is the day I find a way to get a key made for my OBS because I lost it. I don't know where it's at. Here she is. What the hell has been walking to my truck? That's not okay. Oh my God, I can't believe this still. This is fucking horrible. Holy shit. How much snow can there be in there? Anyways, it's fucking locked. So I gotta walk in this stuff. Oh, I about fucking busted my dick. Oh, I missed this. What the fuck just happened? So, well, we didn't know, and I was the guinea pig, and now we're stuck in a car wash because I'm too wide. I am too wide to go. I pull up, I pull my mirrors in and everything, and I see this guy, he's guiding me onto the deal. He's like, measure him. I'm like, oh fuck, that's not good. What does that mean? And he said, yeah, you're not gonna fit, you're too wide. This is my small wheels and tires. This is my snow tires, man. This is my snow wheel and tire set.
The Bubba package.
They're only 12 wide. They're not even that wide.
Not even that wide. It's taking my whole track.
Damn it.
I'm having back up.
Can I back up now?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
How much does a car wash cost? Can we just buy the car wash and just plow through it?
Emergency exit at.
It's right over there.
Oh,
Right by the
sick.
Tahoe.
I see.
That's exciting.
I would honestly just go over the hill.
That way you get that back out without having to worry about it.
Good job.
Do that one more time.
Think so?
Otherwise you're gonna knock out a sign.
Oh, no, yeah, you don't want to knock out the signs.
There you go. Come back out. Hit my weird man.
Do you at least get your money back?
Yes.
This is the first for everything. You get a first for everything. I was told that my truck's way too fucking wide.
Our stock truck.
I know. This is my winter wheels and tire setup. It's not even wide.
I'm gonna have your phone. If I get fine, I'll get you a refund.
Okay, sweet. Do I just pull in where the vacuum's at? Can I at least vacuum my truck out? That'd be sick. Am I too wide for the vacuums?
You're too wide for our vacuums. You gotta go.